Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use gesture navigation on INFINIX Note 60. So first, in your settings, scroll all the way down to System. Now System Navigation, and right here from 3 buttons change to Gestures. Here you can learn gestures. Swipe from the left edge of the screen to go back. Now swipe from the right edge of the screen to also go back. Swipe from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. And swipe but pause at the center of the screen to open the background menu. Also slide along the bottom edge of the screen to switch between recent apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.